Hey guys, welcome back to Explore Electronics. Let us look into the last part of the solutions to model question paper from question number 9. For the state table shown, find the response for 101 sequence, harming tree and distinguishing tree. Here the present state is given A, B, C, D and input x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 is given and their outputs are shown. So we need to write the sequence here. For 101 sequence we need to write the response, harming tree and also the distinguishing tree. No much explanation is shown over here. Please refer the prescribed textbook for this for getting the more information. This is the brief answer which is required for this question. Please write the explanation also by reading through the textbook. Explain the various phases involved in checking experiment based on sequential circuit structure. There are three main phases. Initialization phase. During this phase, machine under test is taken from an unknown state to a fixed state. That is what initialization phase is. All the sequential circuits will start with the reset phase. We are going to reset and then we are going to power up and then initialize. So that is what the very first phase over here. And then we will be having a state identification phase. It will be in input sequence is applied. So as cause the machine to visit each of its states and display its response to the distinguishing sequence. And then we have transition verification phase. At this phase, machine is made to go through every state transition. Each state transition is checked by using the distinguishing sequence. These are the three stages or phases we can say checking experiment based on sequential circuit structure. Then explain the process of testing sequential circuit as iterative combinational circuit. You can see the sequential circuit block diagram first at the top, and the next one is the iterative model of sequential network. Iterative model of sequential network says it will be connected back to back, means one after the other, n number of combinational circuit with an flip-flop making the sequential circuits can be connected. You can go through the explanation which I have given here. It gives you the clear-cut idea on the process. Then define the terms controllability and observability with example. These two concepts, controllability and observability, are very important in analyzing doing the tests using test patterns. Controllability refers to ability to apply the input patterns to the sub-circuit via primary inputs of the circuit. Example is given in 5.1. Here it shows the controllability. And observability refers to the ability to observe the response from the sub-circuit via primary outputs of the circuit. So for more explanation, again you need to go through the textbook and find the more answers if it is asked for more marks. And the next question is, with the neat logic diagram, explain the clocked hazard-free latches used in LSST technique. So here is the answer for that. You can see the hazard-free polarity hold latch here, that schematic, as well as flow table and excitation table for that, and also the logical circuit they have given, and also polarity hold shift register latch and logic for shift register latch is also shown over here. So the next question is, explain any two ad hoc design rules for improving testability. There are multiple rules. There are many ad hoc design rules are there for improving the testability. Here they have asked you to write two such rules. So you can go through all the rules, better to know. If they ask for 10 to 12 marks, you need to write all the rules in your answer. So you can write two ad hoc design rules in this question. You can go through this. This is the answer for that particular question. So this is the end of the solution for model question paper for the subject VLSI Design and Testing.